Hey guys, and welcome back to another video where I will be doing my review on my Toybox 3D printer. Let's go into food, or filament. I have these two buttons because this is a second attempt, obviously, because I can never get any videos right. Oh, so if you keep clicking insert, well, in this last part, I put the black on, you just put it through here. And that's basically it. You keep clicking insert until that comes out. See how it's still red from last time? Now it's turning black. And I printed this Toybox keychain, Mario coin, and some tweezers. And there's a few other things which I don't know where they are. But here we take them out with the tweezers and put them in my junk pile. They're stuck. The tweezers. Ugh. Alright. So, where's Tiny Guy? Oh yeah, there's Tiny Guy. He's right there. Now we have to, I'll click insert one more time. They refer to this as printer poop. But, let's go over and get something to print. Alright, so we have these. That's laggy. So let's see what we should print. Let's go to quick prints. What should we do? I'll zoom out a little bit. Let's do a gummy bear. No, that wouldn't look good in black. Let's do Ninja Star. No, never mind. We have to do something quick, not super long. Let's do give me a sec. Alright, since it's literally St. Patrick's Day, as I'm making this, I will look at Explore, Get Lucky, Quick Print, Get Lucky. Whatever. Let's do Clover Coin. Click Print. Starting. It starts to warm up. I think that'll do. And I'll put this right here to monitor the progress. But it obviously says it's warming up, and that's my previous thing, the Rock Croc Charm. I'll close this out. In a little while, there's going to be this foot-long Adventure Time thing. Alright, it's almost done warming up. And sometimes some filament oozes out. Let's see, I caught some. I just gotta wait. Takes patience. Filament up there, the roll on the back, and you could watch it do its thing. Wait a little bit. Clover coin. Here it goes. You can see here. Let's pause the video and I'll show you in a second. So it seems to be that the setting on this print is quality, that's why it takes so long. But if it was on fast, it would take like 3 minutes. But we'll continue to wait. Let's pause it real quick to see how it's doing. Give it a sec. Easy. Now click resume. And here it goes. It's starting to print the design. There. Sounds like a cyborg. Oh yeah, you can see the design. 3 minutes left. I can zoom in so much. And I'm only zooming in, I'm not getting really close. There's some belts up there. And over there. Oh yeah, it's printing the design. This is gonna be good. While we wait, we could look at some of the stuff. Mini sword, huh? Alright, if this gets 504 likes, this is just a drawing. How do you get this many likes for little drawings? That's not the Toy Box logo. person. 16 minutes, 91 likes. Oh, finishing. Looks pretty almost done to me. So this printer, it's like this big. Oh, it's done. Alright, let's check it out. It's a little hard to do this with 2 hands. Or 1 hand, actually. You have to manually push it down. And then we have to remove the build plate. I'll do it right over here. You can see. Gotta break it off. And then snap it off. You gotta kind of get this ring around it off. That's how the printer gets the old stuff out. Put that over there. And I'll put this back in. And here is our Clover coin. I don't know why it says 2019 on it, but it looks really good. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and for more videos on the Toybox 3D printer. Bye.